This is the S9 Ultra. It's a really nice Android, full Android smartwatch, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even cellular connectivity. I have a T-Mobile SIM in here, works for calls and for data. But the real fun thing is the knob here on the side. You pull it, you twist it, and there you go. I've got a little camera looking at me for selfies, or I can turn it and I can look ahead, or even turn it and look down if you have it on the ground somehow, and have a complete 180-degree camera built into it. Pop it in, you're right back into the watch itself. Once again, with all of the controls here, airplane, low energy savings, your brightness and your sound controls are there. Previous used apps, they're as simple as coming right in here. You can switch to any of them you want to. When you slide up, you get notifications from the watch itself, not sent from your phone because there's no tethering app for this one. You don't Bluetooth it to your phone at all. Pull out the side tab, you can go into the Google Play Store, or phone calling. Sure enough, SIM calling on this one. All your contacts can be moved in, whatever you'd like. One more swipe, you've got all of your different apps, phone messaging, the camera you saw. You can have a browser, contacts, you got a sound recorder in here, file explorers, wallpapers, and themes, full access to the Google Play Store, a calculator, you can download YouTube, you got a flashlight, breathing capabilities in here, and blood oxygen, heart rate, blood pressure, they're all in here. You've got a complete compass, brings up a full compass that gives you your position. You can flip it up and go into another mode, which gives you angle deviation from your current heading. Very, very nice implementation of compass on this particular device. You can add in your own different things like your Google One, your Google Files, Maps. You can put in Google Drive. You can add in fun little playful. Any Android app you can think of, it'll run on this one. Comes with its own Apple style of band that slides in a similar kind of way. It's really well designed. Nice long life battery, full complement of speaker, microphone, music player, and of course that awesome built-in camera. It's the S9 Ultra, lots of different watch faces too. You just pick them, there they are. Check it out.